Hi, Sarah here with a planner decorating video. Today I'm using stickers from Happy Cutie Studio, and they do a reward system. As you can see, I've filled my card, and they also have quite a few little freebies that you can get with certain kits. I think this is a summer freebies. I got the little card and then a large card as well, and these are the other items I got. This is the summer kit here, which is so cute, so many bright colours, lots of icons, lots of lists, and this is the card, which is absolutely adorable. So I will leave a link below for the Happy Cutie Studio shop if you want to go and check them out. And they are on Etsy and they are a UK shop, but I do believe they post internationally. Okay, so for this planner I decided to pick out some washi that I thought went well with the kit, because my planner is A5 and my inserts are horizontal. I am going to be changing that up. I don't like them. I'm not getting on with it at all. But for now, that's what I've got, and I use washi to sort of frame my pages and for durability on the ring side of them as well. And then all I do is trim up my planner stickers, which are I mostly get the kits that are for like Erin Condren and Happy Planners, and then I just snip them up a bit, piece them back together and just make it work. So first off, I'm just putting my day stickers down. I don't make you watch me do every single one of those. And the awesome weekend sticker. I love this week's weekend sticker. It's got little lollies on it. It's so cute. And now I'm trying to decide where to put my cleaning list, which I put on every day, and then I add a little short one for the weekends because I don't like to do much cleaning on a weekend. I like to try and get out and about. I'm adding my hydration sticker there, tracker, as well as one for my water and one for my vitamin intake to try and remind me to do that, as well as a cute quote sticker down the side there which says a balanced diet is an ice cream in each hand. And I'm now adding check boxes in, not check boxes, half boxes, where I have more bits and bobs to do on a certain days, as well as that I do add an extra ombre list box on the days where I do most of my filming and editing, just to add in some extra bits there. I'm going to be changing to a week on 4 pages soon, because I think that will work better for me, because I was trying to do a week on 2 and then a daily, but it just got too many pages to deal with. So I'm going to change things up from July. So as well as adding in those boxes, I do add some flags in on days where I know that there are things I need to remember, and I've also got my daily spending at the top there as well. And I'm just adding a couple of little mini stickers that are just cute, just to fill in little spaces, and a hamster, because I love that hamster. I mean, pretty much ends up on all my layouts now. I'm now going through my functional stickers that I have a lot, and getting out my steppers, my stickers that I use for my photos, editing, all that jazz. So first off, I'm putting my steps down because I do have a Fitbit, so I like to keep track of that. I need to remember to call the doctors on Monday. I'm adding cute little cleaning stickers down my list as well for each day there, and I changed the sheets and bin day stickers to remind me to do those as well. And I've also got a filming sticker on the Wednesday ready for Thursday, and I've added my upload and Instagram stickers on the Thursday. Not that I'll forget, but I still like to remember how many days I've got left to do things. And now I think I'm just adding a few cute little extra decoration stickers, and I think I'm pretty much done. Oh no, more decoration stickers. I do have a little sticker obsession. I do always go overboard, just because I just love the look of a really full spread with loads of stickers on it. So I've punched holes in that cute summer card, as well as the June month tracker date thingy. So I'm going to add those in as well. And I'm just popping it all back in my planner, and I had more stickers left over, decoration stickers, and I wanted to add a few more of them, so I think I do end up adding even more stickers. Yes, there we go. But I think it looks bright and inspiring, and it hopefully will help me get everything done. So thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you do want to see more of my videos. I do planner, mixed media and scrapbooking, and don't forget to check out the shop. Bye!